happy Vlogmas day 6 and welcome back to my channel.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go it smells like peppermint.
Right, we are going to start my day off with some lemon water. Oops. We're gonna start off the day with some lemon water. This has been my go-to recently and I can see the biggest differences and changes.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't happy being single this time. I know when I'm home I'll have no one to show.
Can we just appreciate how beautiful this little setup is? We've got the lemon water, the roses, my planner on top of my jewelry box. This is just a vibe right now. However, my bed is not a vibe. Sorry about that. I have to go to school today. I already went at 8:30 this morning, but I have like a 3-hour off period, so that's why I went to the gym and I'm here right now. But anyways, I've 2 more classes after that I have to go to. I'll probably leave in like 20-ish minutes. Tonight, I'm going to be having a girls' night with some of my friends from school. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go mini golfing and then get some dinner somewhere. I just love days like this because I've been looking forward to this, so this is gonna be fun. I wanna show you guys the outfit that I'm gonna bring though. I'm not coming home after school. I'm gonna go to my friend's house, so I'm probably just gonna bring this outfit with me in my car. So this is the fit that I was thinking of. This top, this whole outfit is from Aeropostale. So the top is like this knit brown color thing. Super duper cute. I really like the color. I'm gonna wear these jeans. It's called 90s baggy jeans and this is what they look like. So cute. I love the rips on them and they're not too high-waisted but also like not low-waisted. And then I want to wear this little guy on top. Look at how cute this is. I'm obsessed. I have never owned anything like this before, so really excited. That's the fit that I want to wear. So I'm gonna pack that up. I'm gonna get dressed into my uniform and then we will head off to school. I'm on my way to school now. Little outfit change. As you can tell, we're in this adorable polo. Anyways, I have my clothes next to me. Oh my god, I might be late to class. What is you? We made absorption lines.
Yeah, yours is working. Yours is working perfect. This is what it looks like. Add the CD. So you
Hey, you wanna play sticks? Hey! Good at see. Okay, make sure it doesn't fall. I'm gonna go bathroom. Hi everyone. This is your daily reminder to stay hydrated. Or what? Or you hydrate or dehydrate. Guys, I went emo with my hair. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm doing her nails, guys. I have a little gel nail kit right here that I brought today. We're in English. Here are mine. I did them earlier. Yeah. She really needs her nails done. They're bad, guys.
These were done by Lexi as well.
Look how good
The quality is unreal.
we're watching a movie about
We're watching, or we're trying to watch A Midsummer Night's Dream. Oh goodness, I hate the sound of that.
Oh! No, that's the BBC one. We are not watching that.
No, but look at the man.
No.
That's terrifying. I'm terrified.
If you're a furry, this is for you.
Hey, I'll furry if you're a fan of
Attention!
Guys, it's $0 at the Broadway HD trial. Do you have a furry Halloween?
I don't know.
Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I too much.
No? Let's watch.
Guys, we're not gonna understand what's happening if we watch that one. We'll all watch that.
I'm on my mom's account.
Let's.
And my mom hasn't looked at her debit card receipt in months.
Plus, they're getting divorced, so
They are already. And
I think I just got like toxic poisoning from that.
Oh no, y'all, this literally is hooked up to the computer. I'm home from school. I thought I wasn't gonna come back, but I am because I forgot to get shoes. So I'll show y'all my outfit. This is the top and these are the jeans. I wanna get a full body. Okay, this is the fit. So cute, I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with these jeans also. They like feel so comfortable and I love the rips in them. I'm gonna give my dog their advent calendar treat for the day. Let's do that. Their treat today, it's a little green biscuit. Good job. Oh, good job. Look, they both run to like different corners to eat it. She's all the way down there. It's literally dark outside. Hello. We've got Brooke and Mary.
What day of Vlogmas is it?
This is Vlogmas day 6.
Oh, day 6! Vlogmas day 6, we're going to play some mini golf.
I told them that it's girls' night, but we've got one boy with us. Mary got something.
Some cameras. And I have another one.
Go.
We should film at mini golf.
Yes, we're gonna film at mini golf.
Well, I'm like really cute on my birthday, so you can film me.
I'm so excited. Literally, seeing all these houses decorated with Christmas stuff is making me very happy. We'll see you guys when we get there, but I think we're gonna get food at P. Terry's because I love P. Terry's.
Hello. Hey vlog. We're at number 24.
Number 24.
Brooke Payne.
Too stressed, man. I'm too stressed.
You literally texted
You know,
me.
It's Bobby.
This is Bobby. Guys, look, it says Idaho.
No, you're the host.
This is a very special place. This is where I'm going to school.
How their calories are so precise.
386.
345.
403.
Mary, rate the fries.
7 out of 10.
Really? They're a little greasy today.
I'm hungry though.
Look at this.
And they're salty.
They be dripping oil.
I like oil.
Yo, P. Terry's special sauce, supreme. Brooke, how's your burger?
It's really good.
Start the camera.
Just letting you know. I don't know if she's the smartest. I'm kidding.
I'm not. I think I
blue or
like
yellow, right?
light blue. Cute.
Yeah,
Pink?
with them.
Pink?
Thank you.
Gracie, which color?
Light purple.
Light purple. Oh, lip oil.
Oh, that was so good.
Hey, are you sponsored by Home Depot, Bobby?
Hey, this one's kind of dope.
Oh, just kidding. She got it. Oh, wait.
How many tries?
What time did we have? You're gonna sit on top. Is this her?
Hey vlog, here's the thing. I really am good at mini golfing and I'm winning right now and Brooke sucks and that's on period. You too. Brooke got a hole in one!
Mary, what are you doing?
This is the best way to do it.
We finished mini golfing.
I lost my ball.
We didn't actually keep track of who won, so we don't even know who won.
But definitely Caroline. She was doing.
We should tell the camera. I think that Brooke won.
my name's Bobby. I think I won.
We go, Gracie.
My name's Gracie and I think Brooke won.
Right, go!
Hi, my name is Brooke, and I think that I won.
Okay, I'm Mary Margaret. Why are you listening? And I think, don't listen. I think Gracie won.
Okay, guys, the votes will be racked up later.
Hey, you guys all know that I won, okay?
Now me on the other hand, lost my ball.